Hello everyone. Today we will be doing question number 11. Moon, star and sun are the partners of a firm. Sun retires on 31st March 2017. Moon and star will distribute future profit and loss in the ratio of 5:1. That means here new ratio is given, that is 5:1. As here old profit and loss sharing ratio is not given, so it will be considered as equal, that means 1:1:1. Here balance sheet of the firm as on 31st March 2017 is given and some conditions of retirement are given. So we have to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, bank account and balance sheet as on 1st April 2017 after retirement. So here we go. Here first point is given in the question that goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 60,000. Now here we will find out retiring partner son's share in goodwill, which would be 60,000 multiplied by his share in profit, that is 1/3, that is his share in profit. So 60,000 multiplied by 1/3, which comes to 20,000. That means son will receive his share of goodwill, that is 20,000, by gaining partner. Now let us calculate gaining ratio. Now we will calculate gaining ratio by applying the formula of gain, that is new share minus old share. So let us calculate Moon's gain first. Here Moon's new share is 5/6 according to new ratio, that is 5:1, minus old share, that is 1/3 according to old ratio, that is 1:1:1. If we solve this, we will get 1/2 as Moon's gain. Now let us calculate star's gain. So here star's new share is 1/6 and his old share was 1/3. So if we deduct it, we get 1/6, but here star is not gaining, but he is sacrificing, as we get here answer with minus sign. So that means here only Moon is the gaining partner and star is not gaining, but he is sacrificing. Now here Moon, who is gaining partner, will compensate not only retiring partner son but also star, the sacrificing partner. Here star sacrifice is 1/6. Therefore star will receive goodwill by the amount of his sacrifice, that is 60,000 multiplied by 1/6, that means 10,000. So here let's give effect for that. Here son's capital account will be credited, here it is, by rupees 20,000, and star's capital account will also be credited by rupees 10,000, as they both will receive the share of goodwill. And as here Moon is compensating, so that's why his capital account will be debited by rupees 10,000 and 20,000, as he is giving 10,000 to star, the sacrificing partner, and 20,000 to son, the retiring partner. Now next point. Point second. Creditors are payable after 1 month, which are to be paid immediately at 12% discount per annum. Now here we will calculate amount of discount at which creditors are to be paid. Here amount of creditor is 60,000 and as they are to be paid at 12% discount per annum, so we will multiply it with 12/100. And as creditors are payable after 1 month, so we will calculate discount for 1 month by multiplying it with 1 upon 12. So here we get the amount of discount, that is 600. Now creditor is shown at rupees 60,000 in their old balance sheet, and as discount is given, so we will deduct 600 and then we get 59,400. That means creditors are paid at rupees 59,400. Now as here creditors are paid, so we will not show creditor in our new balance sheet. And as creditors have been paid, that means firm's bank balance must have been reduced. That's why it will be recorded on credit side of bank account. Here it is 59,400 by creditors account. And it will be treated as gain for the firm as creditors are paid at discount. So it will be recorded on credit side of revaluation account. So here it is, by discount to creditors account, rupees 600. Now let us see next point, point number 3. Computer written off from the books is now valued at rupees 12,000. Moon will take over the computer at this value. So this is the gain for the firm, as the computer which was written off from the books is now valued at rupees 12,000. So here we will record it on credit side of revaluation account. Here it is, by computer account, amount 12,000. Now let us see its second effect. Now as this asset, that means the computer, will be taken over by Moon, so here Moon's capital account will be debited. Remember that when an asset is taken over by a partner, his capital account is debited because the value of asset is charged from his capital, and thus his capital will be reduced. That's why it will be recorded on debit side of partner's capital account. Now we will record remaining items from their old balance sheet. First, capital balances are given, so we will record it on credit side of partner's capital account as their opening capital balance. Here it is, 1,60,000 of Moon, 2 lakh of Star, and 1,80,000 of Sun. Then general reserve is given. We know that general reserve will be distributed among all the partners in their old profit and loss sharing ratio. So it will be shown at rupees 30,000 of Moon, 30,000 of Star, and 30,000 will be distributed to Sun. Then bills payable is given. We will record it on liability side. Here it is, bills payable, amount 10,000. Then on asset side, building is given. We will record it on asset side, 2,40,000, machinery 1,30,000, then furniture at rupees 80,000, then stock 45,000, debtors 30,000, and we will find out bank balance later on. Now it's time to close revaluation account. Here opening bank balance, which is shown at rupees 1,75,000 in their old balance sheet, will be recorded as opening bank balance on debit side of bank account as 1,75,000. Now if we close revaluation account, we get difference on debit side, which will be revaluation profit. So revaluation profit is 12,600, which will be distributed among all the partners in their old profit and loss sharing ratio. So here 4,200 will be distributed to Moon, and 4,200 to Star, and 4,200 to Sun, which will be transferred to partner's capital account on credit side as it is profit. So here it is on credit side, revaluation profit will be shown 4200 in Moon's column, 4200 in Star's column, and 4200 in Sun's column. Now in the last point, it is given that after retirement of Sun, Moon and Star will maintain their capital in the new profit and loss sharing ratio, and difference is to be transferred to bank account. So here that means total capital of new firm will be adjusted according to new profit and loss sharing ratio of Moon and Star. For that, we need to find out total capital of new firm. So let's see working note for this. In order to find out total capital of new firm, we need to find out total capital of continuing partner. So here let us find out capital of Moon first. Here capital of Moon will be found out by subtracting total amount in debit column, that is 42,000, from total amount in credit column, that is 1,94,200 up to now. So if we deduct it, we get 1,52,200, that is capital of Moon. Similarly, capital of Star will be found out. Here on debit side, no amount is there up to now, and total amount of in credit column is 2,44,200. So here capital of Star up to now is 2,44,200. If we add these, we will get total capital of new firm. And as it is given in the question that Moon and Star will maintain their capital in the new profit and loss sharing ratio, that's why here total capital will be distributed in the new profit and loss sharing ratio, that is 5:1. And if we distribute it, we will get 3,30,333, which will be new capital of Moon, and 66,067 will be the new capital of Star. So here new capital of Moon will be recorded on debit side. Here it is 3,30,333, and new capital of Star is 66,067. Same will be transferred to balance sheet. Here it is capital of Moon 3,30,333, and capital of Star is 66,067. Now we will close partners capital account. And now if you close partners capital account, you will find difference either on credit side in partners capital account or on debit side in partners capital account. If you find difference on credit side in partners capital account, that means that partner has brought in further capital to make up deficit of their capital. And if you find difference on debit side in partner's capital account, that shows that that particular partner has withdrawn the excess capitals. So let's close Moon's capital account first. Here difference is appearing on credit side. That means Moon has brought in further capital to make up deficit of his capital. And if you close Star's capital account, you will find difference on debit side, that is 1,78,133. That shows that Star has withdrawn the excess capital. And as it is given in the question that here the difference is to be adjusted through bank account, that's why here we will write in particular column to bank and cash account. And here because Moon has brought in additional capital, that's why here bank balance of the firm will increase. So we will record it on debit side of bank account. And as Star has withdrawn excess capital, so because of which our firm's bank balance will decrease. So here we will record it on credit side 1,78,133. And finally we will close Sun's capital account. Here we will find difference on debit side, which will be kept as loan. So here we will record to loan account. And in balance sheet we will show it on liability side. So Sun's loan account, that is 2,34,200. So as it is liability for the firm, so we will record it on liability side. Now finally bank account will be closed, and if you close bank account you will find difference on credit side, which is closing bank balance, which will be transferred, which will be recorded on asset side as closing bank balance, that is 1,15,600. And finally your new balance sheet will be tallied with the amount 6,40,600. So that's all for today. I hope you would have understood this. Thank you very much.